Now vertical line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. For example, for these two diagrams, for it is a x-axis, it is y-axis, it is a given curve. For you have to draw on vertical line, for this vertical line intersect at one point. So this is a function. Now you see the second diagram, for the curve is given, you draw one vertical line, the vertical line intersect at 2 points. So this is not a function. Horizontal line test. A function represented in a graph is 1 to 1. If every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most one point. For example, the three pictures are given. In this first picture, say draw a horizontal line, the green color line intersect the line at one point. So it is a 1 to 1 function. For one curve is given, for the horizontal line intersect at 2 points. So it is not a 1 to 1 function. For this line, for intersect at 1 point. So it is a 1 to 1 function. Now exercise 1.4, the first problem. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answer concerning each graph. The first graph, the vertical line intersect at 2 points, so it is not a function. In the second graph, vertical line intersect at 1 point. For here or here, any one point is intersected point, so it is a function. The third problem, for the vertical line intersect at 1, 2, 3 points, so it is not a function. The fourth graph, for it is the vertical line intersect at 1 point, so it is a function. Second problem, let f from a to b be a function defined by f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a equal to set of all 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and b is equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Represent f by first question set of ordered bus, second one table, third one arrow diagram, fourth one graph. Given function f from a to b. So given condition f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1. The set values a, b separately given. We have to substitute the values. For x value it is x, it is f of x. This is x, this is f of x. So now we have to substitute the values. Instead of x, first 2. 2 by 2 minus 1, 2 by 2 1, 1 minus 1 0. Next x equal to 4, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Next x is equal to 6, 6 by 2 minus 1, 6 by 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 2. Next value 10, 10 by 2 5, 5 minus 1 4. Next 12, 12 by 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 5. Set of ordered pairs. How we have to write the set of ordered pairs? For a domain value and codomain value. First one is domain value, second one is codomain value. For a domain value, for a is given 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. That is 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. The codomain value we found, that is 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Table. For x values, for 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. That a value. F of x value, we found that value 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Arrow diagram. First set A given 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and set B 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. You have to mention the set A value and set B value. Now the functions we have to denote for a 2 to 0, 4 to 1, 6 to 2, 10 to 4, 12 to 5. We have to draw the graph x-axis and you have to mention the x-axis and y-axis. Then the related values origin here. For 12, what are the values, how many values are needed, you have to mention on the x-axis and y-axis. Now you have to refer with the table. Refer with the table 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. It's 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, x-axis 10, y-axis 4, x-axis 12, y-axis 5. Third problem, represent the function f equal to set of all ordered per 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 through an arrow diagram, a table form and a graph. This third problem same as a second problem. For it is, we found the first question, we found set of ordered pair, the set of ordered pair given here. So directly you have to apply for the table form, arrow diagram and graph, same as a second problem. Fourth question, show that the function f from n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not onto. Given function f from n to n means that is a natural number. Given condition f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Here you have to substitute the values natural number starting from 1. So you have to consider continuously first 4 numbers or 5 numbers. First 1, x is equal to 1. F of 1 equal to 2 into 1 minus 1. X is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then x equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Next x value 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Next x value is 4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. For x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. N we found that f of x value 1, 3, 5, 7. Note this. For every element, each element in a domain have a different images. So we conclude that it is a one-to-one function. But this is not onto function. Reason, every codomain of f not equal to range of f. See this example. For it is natural number. For this also natural number. Natural number normally starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. For here also natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. We found the f of x value 1, 3, 5, 7. So we have to connect with, for 1 connect with 1, 2 connect with 3 and 3 connect with 5, 4 connect with 7. So in the codomain value 2, 4, 6 and some other values not have a pre-image. So we conclude that codomain of f not equal to range of f. So it is not a onto function. Fifth problem, so that the function f from n to n defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3 is one-to-one function. So it is same as a fourth problem. The fourth problem we proved one-to-one not onto, but here you have to prove only first method, one-to-one function. The variable only different, here x is given, here m. Remaining the same method, you have to follow the fourth problem method. Sixth problem, let A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to n. Let f from A to B be defined by f of x is equal to x cube. Then find the range of f. Identify the type of function. Given A equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to n, that means natural number starting from 1. Function f from A to B. The given condition f of x is equal to x cube. First we got to substitute the x value 1. 1 cube equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 8. 3 cube equal to 27. 4 cube equal to 64. We want to find the range of f and we have to find it is a which type of function. So now you got to frame the function in the type of ordered pair. We have to write in the type of ordered pair. So that is 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. So range means the second value is range. So 1, 8, 27, 64. Now we have to check it is a which type of function. So we have to connect with the domain, connect with the codomain. 1 to 1, 2 connect with 8, 3 connect with 27, 4 connect with 64. It is going on. For it is natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. So we conclude that each domain have a different images. So it is a one-to-one function.